While tech giants like Google and Microsoft are busy fighting the AI war, one company is secretly selling them all the weapons. Here is how a simple video game chip maker quietly built a $3 trillion monopoly and conquered the entire future. To understand this absolute monopoly, we have to go back to 1993. Inside a Denny's diner in California, three friends, led by Jensen Huang, had a vision. Video games were about to become incredibly complex, and standard computer processors, CPUs, wouldn't be able to handle the 3D graphics. So, they created a new type of chip, the GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. Here is the factual difference. Think of a CPU as a single genius professor who can solve one very complex math problem incredibly fast. A GPU, on the other hand, is like an army of 10,000 middle schoolers. They aren't as smart individually, but they can solve thousands of simple math problems at the exact same time. This is called parallel processing, and it was perfect for rendering pixels on a gaming screen. For over a decade, Nvidia dominated the gaming industry. But gaming was just a Trojan horse for what was coming next. In 2006, Nvidia CEO made a massive, risky gamble that Wall Street absolutely hated. He realized that the parallel processing of a GPU could be used for more than just video games. It could be used for advanced science, weather forecasting, and complex mathematics. So, Nvidia launched CUDA, a software platform that allowed developers to write code directly for the GPU. But there was a huge problem. Creating and maintaining CUDA cost Nvidia billions of dollars. Profit margins dropped, investors panicked, and Nvidia's stock plummeted. The financial world thought Jensen Huang was crazy for investing money into a software that almost nobody was using at the time. But Jensen knew something they didn't. He was patiently building a trap. Fast forward to 2012. Researchers at a university were trying to create a neural network, an early form of artificial intelligence called AlexNet. They realized that training an AI requires processing millions of data points simultaneously. Remember the army of 10,000 middle schoolers? The researchers used Nvidia's GPUs and the CUDA software. The result? They crushed every other AI model in existence. Suddenly, Silicon Valley woke up. Every major tech company realized that AI was the future, and Nvidia's GPUs were the only engines capable of running it. When OpenAI launched ChatGPT in 2022, it shocked the world. But according to tech analysts, ChatGPT was trained using a massive supercomputer powered by thousands of Nvidia's A100 GPUs. Nvidia had a 15-year head start, and their competitors were completely blind. Today, Nvidia controls an estimated 80% of the entire global AI chip market. Their newest chips, like the H100, sell for up to $40,000 each, and companies like Meta, Tesla, and Amazon are literally begging to buy hundreds of thousands of them. But here is the real secret behind their monopoly. It's not just the hardware. Competitors like AMD and Intel are desperately trying to build faster chips. But remember CUDA? For the last 15 years, millions of developers have learned to build AI exclusively on Nvidia's CUDA software. It has become the universal language of AI. Even if a competitor builds a cheaper or faster chip, developers won't buy it because it doesn't run CUDA. Nvidia didn't just build the best hardware, they locked the entire software ecosystem. They are the ultimate sellers of shovels in the greatest gold rush in human history. The AI revolution is just getting started, and right now, all roads lead to Nvidia. Do you think Nvidia will hold this monopoly forever? Or will tech giants eventually build their own chips and break the empire? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one of them. If you found this business case study valuable, please like this video and share it with a friend who loves business, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the strategies of the world's biggest companies, and I'll see you in the next one.